What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.
Today I'm doing a quick video on Sentry mode and its latest update. Now Sentry mode has always been one of my favorite features of owning a Tesla. For a while now, the Tesla community has been requesting access to Sentry mode via your telephone, and guess what? It's finally here. So a couple of days ago I downloaded 2021.36.8 and I have to say I absolutely love it. So if you haven't received the update, just a heads up, you're going to need premium connectivity in order to access this feature. Now I actually discontinued premium connectivity about a year ago for several reasons, but I actually had to resubscribe. This feature alone is absolutely worth the $10. Yeah! So this is a quick video on how to access and enable this feature because I had a little trouble initially. So let's dive into it. All right, as you can see, I actually downloaded the latest update here, which is 2021.36.8 Sentry Mode Live Camera Access. You gotta make sure you also update the app on your phone. Once you updated your phone, you're gonna go ahead to your settings. A lot of people are having trouble as far as accessing the live Sentry mode because they're missing this one step. So you go into settings, scroll down. As you can see, I already have it on, but it's view live camera via mobile app. And there you go. All right, so I got Ruby parked. I'm actually teaching my wife how to access the live feed on Sentry mode. So what you're gonna do is tap the app, go down to security. See the Sentry mode there? Hit the view live camera. You're gonna see it load here in a couple seconds. We're at a park, so there you go. Now you see the little microphone there? Say like back away from the car.
Back away from the car.
Back away from the car.
It's pretty cool. Do another one.
Please stay away.
Please stay away. You have been warned.
All right, so I just want to give you guys a heads up, especially those who haven't received the update yet. Like I mentioned earlier, you're going to need premium connectivity to have this feature work. Number two, it's only available on iOS right now, but I'm pretty sure Android's coming down the pipe. And number three, if you have an older model Tesla, like I have a 2018, most likely you're not equipped with the speaker. So when you do access this live feed from your phone, you'll be able to see obviously the live feed, but you're not able to actually speak through the speaker. Now I do have a 2021 Model Y, and I absolutely love that feature. I actually tried it a couple days ago, and it's pretty cool because you could say stuff like, warning, get back, I'll call the police. So that's the only downside. If you have an older model Tesla, you're not equipped with the speakers. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. Let me know what you guys think in a comment in regards to the updated Sentry mode. Take it away, Ruby.
Like, subscribe, and share.